Hi everyone! For today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your video's background using Kinemaster. First, you need to shoot your video using a plain background. I suggest to use color green because it is far from the color of human skin. In order for the effect to work, the background must use a color that isn't elsewhere in the shot. Now go to Kinemaster and start a new project. From the media files, select your preferred background image. You may resize or edit your background image using pan and zoom on the edit menu. Then go to Layer, then Media, and select the video that you want to change the background. Adjust the size of your video to fit the screen. Now go to Chrome key and choose Enable. Now it will look like this. You may also turn off the show mask feature, but for me, it's easier to edit and adjust the Chrome key when the show mask is on. Next, go to Key Color and select the shade that matches your background color. Now, adjust the Chrome key using this button that you see on the screen. Your goal is to make the background in all black and the person in all white. When you're done editing, just click check and there you have it, a new background for your video. I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below for updates on my new upload. Thank you for watching!